Hey, this is Eric Griffey from the Fort Worth Weekly, and welcome to A Night in Fort Worth. This is our very first segment, which will be previewing concerts for the evening. And for our maiden voyage, I'm happy to be joined by Brandon Lee and Eric Webb of Jetta and the Ghost Street. They'll be playing tonight at Shipping and Receiving's Friday on the Green after party with Doom Ghosts and Slumber Buzz. So guys, welcome. Thank you for being a part of this.
Thank you, Eric. Good to see you again.
Good to see you. So you guys just came out with an album. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, we released on Cinco de Mayo, this year we released Jetta and the Ghost Street's first album. It's called Clandestine Volume 1, produced by Taylor Tatch, who's also a DFW musician slash producer. He did a great job. He's doing the long shots right now, and he's been involved with a lot of new bands. And yeah, it's our first album, and we're working on Volume 2 already. So
very cool.
That'll be out within, well, hopefully before the new year. So
cool.
But yeah, we've only played like under 20 shows, and tonight is our second official album release party, I guess.
Very cool. So where'd you guys come up with the name Jetta and the Ghost Street?
Jetta and the Ghost Street. Jetta, my niece, my brother Fletcher's daughter is 10, and her name is Jetta. And she was, a couple years ago, she was messing around in this white willow tree, saying that it's a ghost tree, and I want to come on and live in the ghost tree. And it just stuck in my head, and we needed a band name, and so I thought Jetta and the Ghost Tree would be something, you know, it's a band name. Band names are band names, but I thought it was unique, and my niece didn't object, even though she's 10. But so yeah, I get that question asked a lot. I thought I'd clear that up.
Very cool.
My niece is named Jetta.
You guys gonna play a song for us?
Yeah, we're gonna play the title track off Clandestine Volume 1 called Clandestine.
This was actually one of the first songs we actually did together as a band, or whatever we were at that point.
Right.
Me, him, and Franco just sitting in the back room of my house. So it's cool that this one kind of stuck, and eventually being the title track off the new album. So.
Awesome. Well, I'll get out of the way and let you guys play it again. They will be here tonight. Jetta and the Ghost Tree will be at Shipping and Receiving for the Friday on the Green after party with Doom Ghost and Slumber Buzz. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Eric. We'll start us off there, Chief. Stop.